Hello friends! Today we will take you on a journey through Uzbekistan, a country rich in culture, ancient history, and unique traditions. Located along the ancient Silk Road, Uzbekistan has been a crossroads of civilizations for centuries, connecting the East and West. Uzbekistan is one of the largest countries in Central Asia, covering an area of 447,000 square kilometers. It is one of only two doubly landlocked countries in the world. The country's landscape is diverse. The Kizilkum Desert stretches to the north, while the Tian Shan and Pamir Mountains rise in the south. The largest rivers in Uzbekistan are the Amu Darya and Sir Darya, which have been lifelines for the people for centuries, playing a crucial role in agriculture. Uzbekistan is home to ancient civilizations. Cities like Samarkand, Bukhara, and Khiva are filled with some of the oldest and most magnificent historical monuments in the world. The heart of Samarkand is the majestic Registan Square, while Bukhara and Khiva represent the unique heritage of medieval Central Asian cities. Samarkand, once the capital of the great Timurid Empire, has been a center of science and learning for centuries. Famous scholars like Ulugh Beg, a renowned astronomer, left their mark here. Part 3. Modern Uzbekistan and Economic Achievements. Since gaining independence, Uzbekistan has seen significant economic growth. Today the country has made great strides in agriculture and industry. Uzbek cotton is world famous, and the textile industry plays a key role in the country's exports. Additionally, Uzbekistan is diversifying its economy, with technological parks being established in Tashkent and a growing IT sector. Part 4. Uzbekistan's national traditions and culture. Uzbekistan is a land of strong traditions and hospitality. Nowruz is one of the most important holidays, marking the renewal of nature and celebrated with great festivity. People wear traditional clothing, prepare national dishes, and celebrate with family and friends. Uzbek cuisine is famous around the world, especially for its iconic dish, pulav, which is considered a national treasure and served at every celebration. The music and traditional dances of Uzbekistan also hold special significance in the culture. Part 5. Uzbekistan's future and development plans. The future of Uzbekistan looks bright and development-oriented. The country places a strong emphasis on education, with a focus on improving the quality of education for its youth. Innovative projects are being launched, and young scientists and startups are contributing to the nation's economy. Uzbekistan is a country with a rich culture and history, stunning desert landscapes, and majestic mountains. Its hospitality and unique traditions make it a truly fascinating place. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos like this.